Voting system in India is based on the principles of democracy, equality, and universal adult franchise. Every citizen of India who is 18 years of age or above has the right to vote regardless of religion, caste, gender, language, or economic status. Elections in India are conducted by the Election Commission of India, an independent constitutional body responsible for ensuring free and fair elections across the country. India follows the prime parliamentary form of government in which people elect their representatives to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, state legislative assemblies, and local governing bodies such as panchayats and municipal corporations. The Indian voting system mainly uses the first past the post method. In this system, the candidate who receives the highest number of votes in a constituency is declared the winner even if the candidate does not secure an absolute majority. Elections are conducted periodically, generally every 5 years, for the Lok Sabha and state assemblies. During elections, political parties campaign extensively to present their policies, development plans, and promises before the public. Citizens participate actively by attending rallies, debates, and discussions over casting their votes. India uses electronic voting machines to conduct elections efficiently and reduce errors in vote counting. These machines make the voting process faster, more secure, and environmentally friendly by reducing the use of paper ballots. In recent years, VVPAT machines have also been introduced to improve transparency. VVPAT allows voters to verify their vote has been cast correctly for their chosen candidate. Polling booths are set up across urban and rural areas so that every eligible citizen can vote conveniently. Security arrangements are also made to maintain peace during elections. The voting system in India plays a vital role in strengthening democracy because it allows citizens to choose their leaders and hold them accountable. Elections encourage political participation and provide equal opportunity for every citizen to express opinions through voting. However, challenges such as corruption, fake news, money power, and low voter turnout in some areas still affect the electoral process. Therefore, voter awareness and education are very important for maintaining the strength of Indian democracy. Overall, the voting system in India reflects the spirit of democratic governance and ensures that the power of the nation remains in the hands of its people.